To delete the secret mode password in the Internet app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Internet app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap Personal Browsing Data. Tap Secret Mode Setting. Now tap the blue on offset next to Use Password. Enter your current secret mode password. Tap OK button. A pop-up appears to remind you that having a password for the secret mode will help you to prevent others from viewing your browser and search history, bookmark, and save page. To continue removing the password, tap OK. By doing this, now you don't need to enter a password each time you want to access the secret mode in the Internet app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.